the horns that they donated to us back because they lost a bunch. Whistle board.